Hi everybody, this is CR number 14, helper video number 3. It says to solve this equation. The first thing I have to do is circle whatever is on the outside of the parentheses to distribute it to each term on the inside. So hopefully you guys are remembering how to do this. The x is not involved, so I'm just going to bring that down. I have a positive 2 times 8, and 2 times 8 is a positive 16. Then I'm going to multiply a positive times a negative, and that is a negative. And remember there's a 1 in front of the x, so 2 times 1x is 2 x's. And then I'm going to bring down the equals 15. And now we're just going to solve this two-step equation. I'm going to go ahead, draw my ladder, so I know left from right. It looks like I have 1x here, and I have a negative 2x. Now if you want to make your columns, you can. But if you see that these are like terms and I have negative 2x's and a positive 1x, that leaves me with a negative 1x. I'm going to bring down the positive 16 and equals 15 on the other side. Alright, now it's a simple two-step equation that you are all used to solving. So I'm going to subtract 16 first on both sides because I always get rid of the constants to bring them over to the right side. 15 minus 16 is a negative 1 because I have more negatives than positives. And then I have a negative 1x. Now I need to solve for a positive 1x, so I have to get rid of that negative 1. And I'm getting rid of the negative 1 by dividing both sides by that because it was multiplied by the variable x. So I'm left with x equals, and a negative divided by a negative is a positive. 1 divided by 1 is 1. So x equals 1. Good luck.